I thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin is in a huge falling wedge. Let me paint a very clear picture of what's happening. So you've got your falling wedge, and we said, hey, there's going to be a falling wedge in here, and there it is, right? After this descending triangle, there's patterns inside patterns, and that's where you get a big edge. And then you have this rising wedge, 68% chance it breaks to the downside, and it has. Now, the measured move of this pattern is down here at 26,680, which is also this support level, right? So you need a bounce there. Potentially you put in a double bottom, which you had a double bottom right here. These W patterns lead to upside, but it's on a 1 hour time frame. How much upside is that? Not very much. So if this comes down here and you get another bounce, this will create a double bottom, and that will be a breakout idea, and there's some upside in store after the move lower. This is a chart that covers Bitcoin 2 hour price action, and what we've seen is multiple attempts up here at the price action to break these trend lines. Bull trap, right? Resistance rejected this move higher, and then now it's just been dwindling lower. I just said, you know what, yesterday I'm taking the day off. I'm going to catch some fish and I'm going to have a good time. No, actually, I trained a new employee because we are growing and we really need local people, but I know some of you guys have the talent that I need. So it's crazy. The pond that I've been working on, we've got sod all around it, fish feeders, like piranhas eating out of the pond. Like, it's crazy. I'm one of these hobbies where I just want to have I got these super hybrid fish, like genetically engineered to be just like solid muscle, brim, shell crackers. I got F1 bass coming, a hybrid bass coming. I'll show you. I'll post some pictures on Twitter. So follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris, and I'll keep you updated. So you got this falling wedge and this thing breaks out, right? You've got the open end of the pattern. That is a sorry straight line, Chris. You got the open end of the pattern right here. And so this should run up to 27,770. All right. Well, that's still a lower high, and that means not amazing. Until the price action breaks out of this pattern, you're just continuing in the pattern. Now, the support has held, and so, I mean, can you get this double bottom here that causes the breakout, and then the big measured move here where this hasn't happened yet? They signed the deal with the debt ceiling. That's off the table, so we don't have to worry about that. But up here at, you know, just on a breakout of this thing, $31,000. Doesn't sound like it's a, you know, 10% move out of Bitcoin. What's that going to do to the altcoins? Anyone? Bitcoin weekly chart, we'll get there shortly, but I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group, and this is a lot different than what we normally cover. I created a leverage trading group by demand because we've got so many brand new traders that are trading with leverage on MaxC. Use the link in the description. Right now, it's discounted 60% off. $695 for 6 months, $895 for 13 months. Again, you get 2 groups, and I'm opening this long here. Hey, I'm in profits and I'm moving my stop loss up, so it's a win-win situation. Constant updates. I'm taking percentages. I'm taking 50% of my profits here. I'm taking profits here. Oh, this happened with Bitcoin. I'm flipping here. Constant updates are happening. And this leverage group is killing it. As an example, this person, 589% profits, banging. This person, I doubled my money in 12 hours, give or take, after joining the leverage group while working an extremely busy job. I've got people that DM me all the time and they're like, dude, I'm in the bathroom trading at work. These leverage trades are short-term trades, high risk, high reward, but I'll show you how to minimize risk. Just as soon as you're in profits, you move your stop loss up to that level and you can't lose. You cannot lose. It's this person, the first trade in the group. And the reason why this is important, this is in the leverage group now. First trade in the group, he's shorted. He's shorted. He made money while the market was dropping. And that's why I've been pushing MaxC on you guys, is because you have to be able to trade the market both ways. Use the MEXC link in the description for huge bonuses. I'm telling you guys, we have to adjust to what the market gives us. And that's why I came out with the new leverage trading group. We're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Banger after banger after banger. These are all leverage trades, and it's just killing it. I love it. I was so hesitant, and I'm like, man, why didn't I do this sooner? Why didn't I do this sooner? Because I thought about it, and I'm like, well, how are all these new people in the group so successful so quickly? How is this happening? And then I'm thinking about it, and when you first start trading, like, your patience isn't really there, right? And so these are short-term trades, and you don't have a bunch of time or a bunch of patience. Like, this is here. These trades happen in 5 or 10 minutes, sometimes longer, but they happen quickly. But this guy's at work, and he doubled his money in 12 hours while he was working. And then again, all these leverage trades were killing it. If you don't know how to leverage trade, you need to join the regular trading group, follow the directions. This is MaxC. I posted this on YouTube the other day, and I told you on a breakout higher, you're at 13% profits. If this would have failed and lost this level, then there would have been some downside. But MEXC has given an incentive for holders to hold their coins. If you work with MEXC, you get huge bonuses. If you are a retail investor, you get huge airdrops. And so that's why this thing has been up only. MEXC, you have to pay attention to it. That exchange, I'm telling you, they're selling their self. They're selling the dream. They're selling their self well. They reach out to me and they're like, hey, we're going to create a website for you. And they're solid. They got 260 leverage trading pairs. It's crazy. Bitcoin daily chart failed badly. Lost this line of resistance right here. After breaking above it, lost it. Now it's back down in this range. So this could just go sideways for a period of time. That falling wedge that we talked about, if it does break out, then you see another move higher. But you've got this trend line up here. You need to see a higher high. Otherwise, 25,850 could be in the cards. But you're right here holding on this support level. The bulls need a bounce. These altcoins will take off. We're going to bring back gem pick bangers. They're coming back. And listen to me. There is a time to trade long. There's a time to trade short. There's a time to trade small caps, micro caps, large caps. There's a time to trade Bitcoin. There's a time to trade gem pick bangers, and it's cyclical. And so those will be coming back soon as they start taking off. But it's the easiest money that you can make in crypto. But you got to get up to speed now. You can't just sit around and wait for it. So here you got this falling wedge, perfect falling wedge. When this thing breaks out, you're going to 31,000. And then you're going to make a quick run to 40,000. Well, when I say quick, it's not necessarily straight line quick, right? You could even reach up here, 45,000. So understand there's a lot of bullish ideas right here on the daily chart. Bitcoin weekly chart. This is critical. Bulls must break out higher. See this bull flag? See the flag? So if that's the flag, let me pull to the target. Watch this. All you do is take the distance of the flag, and it's right here. You're going to $36,000 based on technical analysis. The sellers are stacked at 31,000. If you break through here, you have very good possibility of running up here to 42,500 or higher. You know, so this has been a pretty chaotic bear market where you saw the price action fall below the, this has been the bear market indicator, and you lost it, and then you retested it, and then bearishly retested it. And you come down here and you're at subpar levels, and then you put in an inverse head and shoulders breakout, and now you've got your bull flag ready to bang. Bulls have to hold the 200 SMA. If not, you're going to 22,000, 20,000, period. Biden signs a debt ceiling into law. Does this mean they're going to print more money? If they start printing more money, all the markets are going to take off. Stocks, crypto, we're going. This is it. Mini bull run ready. Biden signs his debt ceiling into law, averting historic default. This is such a mess. Like, I don't know why they always wait to the last minute. Like, this getting too into politics. All I know is, like, get this stuff done. This AP News article says, with just 2 days to spare, President Joe Biden, 2 days to spare. Like, why not get this done a month ago so people aren't worried about it? So bull run ready. Bull run, I'm looking for face melting price action. The last 4 months of 2024, we're still going to have an epic run up after the halving in about 300 days. And I've got strategies and ideas that I've used personally, and I've made millions of dollars because of it. And I'm going to release those into the trading group, probably post them on Twitter, share them with you guys. I want you guys to make the most of this bull market, and you have to be ready, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.